Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Terraform Cloud with VDS provider credentials. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Terraform Cloud website. Log in to your Terraform Cloud account. Once logged in, select the workspace you want to connect to. In the Workspace menu, click on Settings. Scroll down to the API Tokens section. Generate a new API token if you haven't done so already. Copy the API token to your clipboard. Open your terminal or command prompt. Set your VDS provider credentials in your terminal. Use the command export tf_vr_vds_username equals your username. Replace your username with your actual username. Next, set the password using export tf_vr_vds_password equals your password. Replace your password with your Now, set the Terraform Cloud API token with export tf_token_app_terraform_io equals your API_token. Paste your copied API token in place of your API_ token. Ensure that all environment variables are set correctly. Move to the directory of your Terraform configuration files. Initialize Terraform by running Terraform init. This command configures your workspace and prepares the environment. After initialization, you can now run Terraform plan to preview changes. If everything looks good, execute Terraform apply to apply the configuration. Confirm any prompts if required. Monitor the output for any success or error messages. Congratulations, you are now connected to Terraform Cloud using VDS provider credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.